There was a time I thought robot vacuums were a cute but unnecessary luxury. After having the privilege of trying more than a dozen robot vacuums and mops, I can honestly say these automated floor cleaners save me so much time and hassle. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've reviewed ECOVACS robot vacuums before, and they are one of my top picks because they clean well, they're versatile, and they're easy to set up and to operate. That is why I'm partnering with ECOVACS again on this sponsored post of the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 PRO Plus. This dual robot vacuum and mop sweeps and wipes your floors all in one device simultaneously, and it will even empty itself out when it's full thanks to the included auto empty station. That's the plus in the name. While ECOVACS is sponsoring this post, they've not told me what I have to say or what I can't say about the N8 Pro Plus, so you can consider these thoughts my own. In this post, we'll look at the setup process, the special features of this bot, and how well it cleans, as well as why you might want a robot vacuum and mop in your house. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and do subscribe, because both these things help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Does this ever happen to you?
Oh no! What will I do now? The in-laws are coming over in 15 minutes!
If you had an ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus, you could have this vacuumed and mopped just by asking Google.
Okay, Google, clean the kitchen. Thanks, DEEBOT. Now I can get ready to see my in-laws. Okay, let's check out what's in the box. In the package, you get the DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus vacuum and mop unit, the auto empty station with cord, a ramp extension, and some dust bags. There's also a mopping pad plate, a washable and reusable microfibre mopping cloth, and a package of disposable mopping pads too. The side brushes are also in here, and you'll just need to snap them into place with their color-coded brackets. Taking a look under the hood and under the bot, there's a dustbin on board so that you can manually empty if you want, but with the addition of that auto empty station, you never need to touch it, since the DEEBOT will head home and vacuum out its insides, then keep right on cleaning. The auto empty station should hold about 30 days worth of dirt, depending on how often it's out working. Rollers and corner brushes underneath pull the dirt into the bot. Getting this robot vacuum and mopping unit set up just takes a few minutes. Unpack it and plug it in to charge. Meantime, download the ECOVACS app and sign into or sign up for a new account. The app will prompt you to send your bot out as soon as it's charged, and it will almost instantly make a virtual map of your space using ECOVACS True Mapping technology and millimeter level detection accuracy, which the company says is 10 times more accurate than traditional infrared technology. They also told me it's the same tech they use in drones and self-driving cars, which is kind of cool. So what does all this terminology mean for you? Essentially that it will more accurately map and better learn your space to avoid bumping into more delicate furniture, and it won't get stuck or tangled by cables, slippers, or run through pet waste. App connectivity lets you take control and schedule a clean or see where the robot is cleaning in real time. You can also check where the bot cleaned on its last job. Those are the little squiggly lines you can see on my map. You can also use your phone and the app as a virtual remote, starting and stopping your cleans. It essentially means you can clean from anywhere, just hit the button. The app also lets you change settings and preferences and get instant information about your bot, even find a lost robot. So what does the virtual map do? With that map of your space made, you'll be able to use room-specific cleaning and set up schedules so your bot will automatically vacuum and/or mop your house all on its own. You can also store different maps for different floors of your house. Once your bot has mapped your house, you can essentially go into the map, divide up the spaces, and label the rooms. And with those rooms labeled, you can also call for your voice assistant like Google or Alexa to initiate a cleaning for you. The map will also let you set no-go zones, so things like pet water dishes don't get bumped or troublesome rugs can be avoided. My DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus had my space fully mapped in just a couple of passes, and it was extremely accurate. The N8 Pro Plus includes what's called TrueDetect technology, which is an intelligent 3D obstacle avoidance tech that uses 3D structured light technology to see, avoid, and clean around furniture and potentially troublesome objects. I tested this out by deliberately placing shoes, cords, socks, and toys in its path, and I'm impressed to say the DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus was great at seeing and going around troublesome objects. I can also say that in my testing, the DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus never got stuck or tangled up, and it handled flooring transitions extremely well. In fact, it can handle transitions of up to 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. How powerful is the DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus? With 2600 pascals of suction power, it's designed to remove dirt and debris in one pass. Despite high suction power, the vacuum includes a new motor design that keeps noise to a low level, and I do find it much quieter than a lot of other robot vacuums. In fact, you can actually control the noise level by choosing how much suction you want, from low and super quiet to full power, though even that version is not so loud. And speaking of that adjustable vacuum, you can also adjust the water flow level of the mop too, so you can get your floors really clean or just give them a light wipe thanks to DEEBOT's Osmo mopping system, which enables precise electronic water flow control. The DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus also has what's called auto boost suction, and what that does is increases the suction power when the bot detects that it's on carpet to power dirt from the fibers. Did you catch it there? I could actually hear this increase in power happening while the vac was running, and I found it did a really good job of getting my carpets clean too. Let's take a look at how well the vacuum cleans, and then we'll look at the mopping. I put all my vacuums through the same tests. I get them to sweep up finer things like flour or sugar, middle-sized bits like rice or oatmeal, and bigger cracker pieces on both carpet and hard floors. The DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus can handle almost any situation. What it doesn't get in the first pass, it will get in the next. It also has a unique way of targeting messier spills where it seems to see the crumbs and take multiple passes until everything is gone. Now, to use the mopping feature, you'll click the mopping plate into place underneath the robot and fill its water tank, which is located in the back of the bot. ECOVACS recommends you use purified or softened water to improve your bot's longevity, but it's not absolutely necessary. It doesn't need a cleaning solution inside, but I have used mine here with a little bit of gentle natural cleanser when I do need a more thorough clean. You're probably wondering what happens when a robot that simultaneously vacuums and mops encounters carpet. The DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus is actually able to detect carpet and avoid it if the mopping plate is installed. This worked quite well in my testing. It's probably also helpful to point out that your DEEBOT here is not going to be able to suck up large spills. It's not a shop vac. The mopping capabilities are designed to wipe down your floor's surface and pick up things like smaller spills. Tell DEEBOT to clean. You can get hands-free control of your robot vacuum mop too. If you're a Google Home or Amazon Echo user, you can link your smart home devices to your robot and tell it when and where to start cleaning just using your voice. I also found this feature worked really well. The great thing about a DEEBOT, even for very large spaces, is that it will automatically return to the charging dock when its battery is low and then continue cleaning where it left off when it's fully charged again. With 110 minutes of runtime, it should be able to handle most jobs on a single charge. You may be choosing between the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 and the N8 Pro. So what is the difference? Essentially suction power and mapping technology. I won't get into the nitty-gritty here, but head over to techgadgetscanada.com for a full explanation about those differences. Overall, I love the versatility of a dual vacuum and mopping robot. It means I don't have to take up extra space for separate floor cleaning robots, and it is really cost-effective. The N8 Pro Plus vacuums well and can power dirt from carpets, and with the mopping plate, it can simultaneously vacuum and mop my whole space on a single charge. I also love the option of just asking Google to send the bot out for a quick one-room clean or to vacuum and mop the entire house if I need it. Plus, with the app, I can dial in quieter cleans or use full power. I also think it's really good at object recognition and avoidance, which means no tie-ups and getting stuck. In short, I've really been enjoying my ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus experience, and I think you will too. The DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus sells for about $6.99 US, and you can get it from both Amazon or Amazon Canada. If I've got a line on any deals or promos, I will definitely make sure, by the way, that they are in the description box below. If you want to read or reference this topic, head over to techgadgetscanada.com, where I've got a full write-up posted. There you can also ask me any questions you have about this bot. You can also post them here in comments below. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.